Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Today, they ain't playing with us. Y'all see what's going on. I know y'all see the lake in the background type shit. Yeah, we going fishing. I might use you for bait.
Hey everyone, welcome to the Lee TV 218 reaction channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
What's up, gang? It's Lee TV 218 Trucking. And today, we at the terminal doing a free trip on the tractor and trailer. We're gonna pop this thing out right. We're gonna start out right. Make sure you watch, make sure you look both ways before you cross the street. Don't have tunnel vision and get ran over. Life insurance ain't that important. Hey man, yeah, we back at it like a crack addict. Today is day 8. We right here walking across the street to pre-trip a truck. So we gonna get it done the proper way, the fast way, not the slow way, the bad way. You dig what I'm saying, shawty? Take a ride with me. Well, in this case, take a walk with your boy. Today, they said it might not be any mistakes on the truck, so I'm gonna look at it wisely. They finally switched the group up. I'm not with my original group, the group I'm originally with. This time I'm with another group. This time I'm with another group. So, oh no, I'm back with my original group. So we're gonna handle that business the proper way this time. You dig what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Pre-trip the truck, get it right, get it started the right way, not the wrong way. Y'all, man, take a look at the terminal yard. Y'all see it in the background. Just take a look. Y'all want to know what P&S Trucking hitting for, what it's looking like? You get it firsthand right here from Lee TV 218 Trucking. Right here. Y'all see what's going on. I know y'all see the lake in the background type shit. Yeah, we going fishing. I might use you for bait. You dig what I'm saying? Nah, for real, too. You know, the raw way, not the flaw way. But anyway, I gotta get out this vlog, man, and get to work, too. I'll get back with y'all, boys. I'm out. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Today, they ain't playing with us. Man, we been outside. Today, they ain't bullshitting. We been outside all day putting in that work. Pre-tripping, coupling, tarping, wrapping, scrapping, all of the above. We didn't even have a whole hour lunch break today. The only thing we had was like a 15, 30-minute break. The rest of us got to go get in the back of the truck and do a road test. So I'm about to do my road test. I ain't doing no complaining. I definitely ain't finna get fired cause I don't want to take a 30-minute break. They can't get rid of me like that. They got to put in that real work to get rid of me. I'll never go outside like that now. You dig? So I'm walking across the street right now to the truck. I'm not driving first anyway. I'm probably gonna drive third. So I ain't doing no tripping. I'm gonna sit back there and get my brake on. You feel me? But I'm over here where I need to be now. I'm gonna get back with y'all. Look at him running in the background. Yeah, I just got done with my own road testing. You know that boy aced that bitch. Called out everything. You know how I'm rocking like a cutout stocking. You know, I don't play. I don't bullshit, you know. I'm that nigga, you know. Put them G's in the air, man. But anyway, we almost gone. We almost on the way home. It's hot as fuck out here, you know. I'm ready to go home. I gotta go get my load securement proper. Then I gotta go practice on some bagging. But stay tuned, man, for what's next. I'm out.
Okay, let's go.
¿Quién está a tu lado cuando estás triste?
No lo entenderé.
¿Quién está a tu lado cuando estás triste?
No lo entenderé.
¿Quién está a tu lado cuando estás triste?
No lo entenderé.
What's up, gang? Lee TV 218 Trucking, and today you in the streets with me, Lee TV. Hey, check it out. I forgot to give y'all the vlog on Friday, but it's cool. I'm gonna update y'all. Y'all seen what happened Thursday. We did a road test. I didn't get to take mine due to the weather. We took a bunch of more tests. Anyway, just rewind it so you can get an update on what happened. Friday, we sat in the classroom. We took another test, Smith system test. I aced that, John. You know, man, make sure you paying attention in the classroom, man. Make sure you studying your notes, you're reading, and you actually came here to do some work. Somebody else got sent home. I can't tell you what for. I seen in my comment section that one of y'all asked me about the physical. It's just a normal physical, brother. You know, lift 60 pounds, lift 80 pounds, then you have to lift 100 pounds. Yeah, you have to walk a straight line. You have to walk up and down a ladder. You have to step on and off of the table. You know, just a regular physical, man. You know, to make sure that you actually fit for the job. You know, because you don't want to hire, P&S don't want to hire anybody that's not equipped for the job, you know. So if you come out here and you think you're going to be lazy or you want to drive reefer, it's not going to happen. If you want to sit in your truck all day and just wait to be loaded, then go over to the reefer. You know, if you just want to chill and sit in the truck and pop your, you know, however you pop it, go to reefer, man. Flatbed ain't for you, because you're going to be out the truck, putting in that work, scrapping, tarping. You're gonna have to work for sure doing flatbed. You're going to have to work. So if you lazy, flatbed not for you. What else? What we do Friday? We watched a bunch of videos. We switched instructors. So the dude that started us off, he was not in there today. It was the other guy, the same guy that you're gonna meet day one, that's gonna drive the van. He was an instructor in the class Friday. Today is Saturday, man. We chill. I was chilling. Went out last night, drunk like a fish. You know what I'm saying? So I'm hitting y'all with this vlog late. I passed my Smith system test we took yesterday. We got 3 more tests to take. And then it's over with, man. I got 1 more week left. 7 more days here. 5 more days in the classroom. 7 more days in Savannah total. Man, I'm ready to go home, man. You know, I ain't gonna lie. I'm ready to see my kids. I'm ready to hit the city. But I'm also ready to get on my trainer truck too, so I can go and get to that bag, that real money. I'm ready to get my own truck. You know, I got 3 weeks with the trainer. Hopefully I can make it shorter than 3 weeks, but if not, it's cool. Hopefully my trainer get some routes close to where I'm at, Louisiana, Mississippi, bottom end, you know, Biloxi type shit. Hopefully I can come home every weekend. If not, they telling us that they will provide us a hotel, so we won't have to be up under that person all day, or when they go home, we'll have a hotel to live in for the weekend or whatever. But the main thing I learned is, man, make sure you take the loads that they give you, because at the end of the week, it'll add up to what you want it to be. Make sure you secure your load properly, and just stay focused, man. Know what you out here for. Everybody doesn't have the same bills or mindset, so just be mindful of that. But I think next week we're gonna do a test on securement, and the final test, which is everything that we learned since day one. So make sure you study your securement manual on how to load and unload, how to tarp. Make sure you studying the Smith system. Make sure you just paying attention in class, so it'll be easier for you. Other than that, man, I don't think it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be easy. It's gonna be good for you. P&S Trucking Service, what I feel about them right now. Right now, man, I can't complain, bro. They've done everything I asked for and above. The only complaint I I will have about P&S trucking service is they trainings pay. I don't like the fact that we getting the bare minimum for training. Now in the classroom, that's cool. I can accept the classroom pay for what we getting paid to sit in the classroom. But when we get on the road, the pay does not increase. I feel like the pay should increase at least by $300, $400. But you know, who am I? I'm just a person trying to work for P&S. Actually, I'm Lee TV 218 truck. That's who I am. But that's a whole different subject. You see your boy been in this thing working out, getting big. See my heart, my locks done drop. You know, time for a retwist, but that's a whole nother subject. I'm just giving y'all some more game, more information on what's going on with me. Oh, that's what I wanted to tell y'all. That's why I didn't vlog for Friday. Man, came to the hotel and they ain't have no power, no damn power. Can you believe that? The hotel room didn't have no power. That's what I'm saying. So I had to take a shower in the dark. I hope you're not afraid of the dark. But I had to take a shower in the dark. At least the hot water was still working. Thankfully, I ate up all my sandwich meat before the power went out, because I would have went downstairs and told them they were going to have to reimburse me for that money, for that food that was wasted. But I ain't had nothing in there but some water. I got a lot of snacks that I took from the terminal. Tell me what y'all think about the terminal in the comment section, man. I showed y'all the terminal. It wasn't a big, outrageous terminal like some other institutes or some other trucking companies. It's just a little small building, you know. Get you in and out. That way you can't be too comfortable. You know what I'm saying? But let me know, man, what y'all think, man. Put in the comment section what y'all think, who y'all trucking with, what y'all trucking journey been. And if you like my video, man, comment and subscribe. That's all I got for you today, man. Stay tuned on the next vlog Monday morning. I'm out.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe